A lasting connection begins with shared values and mutual respect. Alignment on core beliefs and treating each other with dignity create a solid foundation. Active listening, empathy, and genuine interest foster a sense of security and trust. Understanding each other's perspectives is crucial for building strong relationships. Sustaining a connection requires continuous effort and adaptation from all parties involved. Effective communication is paramount, involving open and honest dialogue between individuals. Constructive conflict navigation involves expressing needs assertively yet respectfully. Finding common ground and willingness to compromise are essential for maintaining a strong connection. Enduring connections demonstrate resilience when facing adversity. Strong bonds are characterized by mutual support, forgiveness, and a commitment to working through difficulties together. Acknowledging mistakes and offering sincere apologies are crucial for reinforcing relationships. Collaborative problem-solving reinforces relationships by focusing on mutual goals and understanding. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and hit subscribe for more insights on communication, relationships, and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.